What's up guys, my name is Tausif Hussain and today we're doing an unboxing video. Now, I usually don't do unboxing videos and I don't think you've seen any on my channel as well. And that's not because I don't like doing unboxings, it's because I'm just not patient enough for them. Let's step outside, it's like really nice weather. Okay, so here's the thing, anytime I get a product in to film, I just can't wait. I don't have the patience to it. So I just rip it apart and I start playing around with it. So this time around, I was actually preparing to film something else and the packages arrived. The iPhones are here. So we're gonna go unbox them right now. So I got my coffee, I got my phones that I need to unbox, and I got my Madeleine. Okay, this is what a Madeleine is. Now here's the thing, everyone is putting out like deep content, like content that is like beneficial, like, oh, like I'm reviewing the iPhone, oh, here's some like cinematic photos you can take of the iPhone and everything, and I'm out here, yo, which color should we get? Besides me being shallow, on the real, this is a problem, guys. This is legitimately a problem. Like anytime anything new comes out, whether it's a watch or a phone or anything, I literally spend like weeks trying to figure out what exactly to get. Let me know in the comment section down below if you guys have like the same exact issues. Like you can't decide which color to get. And that's why I made this video, primarily because I haven't seen these face to face. So I thought, you know what, I'd unbox them, capture that on camera, unboxing it, and yeah, let's see what you guys think as well, and let me know in the comment section down below which one you guys thought looked better. Okay, so first up, as promised, we're gonna unbox the Madeleine. Ooh, that was good. Ooh, yo, that actually, oh man, the sides are like just blasting out at you. Oh my goodness, that gold on the side. Dude, I don't know, this actually looks really nice. To be honest, it doesn't really look gold. Are you sure there's no cover on the back here? It's just like a matte texture, which I absolutely love, but I don't know, it's like a very, very dull gold. I don't know if you guys can tell, but oh man, I absolutely love how it feels. This thing feels phenomenal. Ooh. I love the square edges now. Like that's just something that I'm so happy they did, right? And I don't know if you guys can tell, do you guys see the amount of like fingerprints already on here? Yeah, this is gonna be a problem. Damn. So I didn't put lotion on before starting this unboxing, and my wife's probably gonna comment on it, so I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. Yeah, all moisturized, good to go. They still look crusty. Regardless, we're gonna boot it up. But yeah, here's the controversial bit. There is nothing except for one Apple sticker. You get like your pen and like some other paperwork, and you get the charger. There's no charging brick, which is why this case, if you could tell right at the start, was so thin. I have like mixed feelings too. I definitely get both sides of the argument. The one side is like, okay, well, Apple's not including it because they're saying it's for environmental reasons. They're trying to save the environment, and everybody now has a power brick. So what's the point of shipping it with the phone? Agreed. Okay, makes sense. So I guess their whole argument is that it's from an environmental standpoint, and I can sympathize with that. But also, I can also sympathize with the other camp here, which is saying that, okay, well, not everybody has that many power bricks lying at home, and even if we did have any, maybe our family members are using it or whatnot, or what about people who are buying the phone for the first time? Of course, needless to say, they are going to be making quite a bit of profit from a cost-benefit standpoint of not including it. So I see both sides to the argument. Honestly, I don't know if it's fair for me to comment because as a tech reviewer, I have like 50 million power bricks lying at home. Slight exaggeration, but I mean, so for me, it could make zero difference, but for others, it could. But I'd like to know what you guys think about that. So let me know in the comment section down below. I'm actually interested to hear from you guys. We're gonna put this to the side. Let's unbox the blue one. Actually, I have no idea which one is gonna be in here. Okay. Woohoo! Okay, now we're talking. Now this looks like a different color. I don't know, this is a tough one. I like the gold as well, to be quite honest. I know a lot of people on the internet were going back and forth between the blue and gold, and pretty much every unboxing and review I saw said that they were gonna go with the blue because they liked how the blue looked. But I'm kind of torn, to be quite honest. I actually really like the gold. So there you have it, folks. Here are the blue and gold phones. I honestly don't know which way to go right now. Okay, so this is the iPhone. I actually want to see how different it is compared to the Pros here. Woo, okay. Now that's a blue color that I can get behind. Let me compare that to the blue iPhone 12 Pro. So I have the Pro over here and the regular iPhone 12 here. The shininess is nice. It feels premium-ish because of how shiny it is, but honestly, I don't know. I really like the look of the matte. It's just not picking up as many fingerprints. It looks neater. Also, this blue color, I don't know. What do you guys think? This is like a lot more subtle. Some angles, it looks almost grayish. Versus this is like, you can tell it's blue. This is blue. Okay, so this is actually on the iPhone 12 Pro. So I'm recording this A-roll segment here while I do the unboxing here. So I guess this is kind of like a camera test too, so you can see how well the camera looks if somebody was to record like a YouTube video on this thing. Okay, yes, it's the infamous MagSafe charger. I actually want to see how this works out. Okay, it's pretty small. Okay, so the MagSafe charger, it's got like this really soft texture here. I think it looks like almost soft silicone or plastic or something. Yeah, it's like soft texture. Back is metal. This thing feels really high quality. It feels premium. I want to see how it sticks to the iPhone. So let's say I take this. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, you hear that? So there is a possibility of it scratching. So even though there's a soft texture, when you're taking it off, it kind of like the metal could kind of scratch against the actual iPhone, like the back of it. So something to note. So this is the same texture that's on the back of my current iPhone 11 Pro, and I gotta say, it doesn't scratch at all. I've used it caseless as well a lot of the times, and I've had no issues with scratches. So not too worried, but it is a possibility. I like it. I'm a fan. Last accessory I got here is the silicone case. Okay, so this thing is gonna fit on both the Pro and the non-Pro since they're both the exact same size, but let's take this off. I was a little curious to see if the case is gonna be thicker. If you can see, there's this little circle right here. So to have that in there in order for the MagSafe to kind of go through and work with the phone. But no, it seems to be the exact same thickness. If not, actually feels a little bit thinner. I don't know what it is, man. I don't know what it is, but case feels pretty good, pretty sturdy. Let's throw it on here. Let's throw it on this blue one. So basically what's happening is there's an NFC chip communication that's happening between these two. So the moment these two are attached, it's able to recognize the color of the case or what accessory you're attaching to it. See how it goes dark blue? It just knows it's this case. And the MagSafe also connects back to the case, so just like that. If you were to just dangle this like this, it seems to hold pretty well. But I think if I give it a little, oh no, pretty good. Sometimes if you're just working and you just kind of want to charge your thing, not have it plugged in, and just use MagSafe like this, you totally could. My opinion on the Pro colors, honestly, the gold is very subtle. I would probably go with this over the white one for sure, because this one almost looks white in certain angles and certain light, but it also has this really nice gold finish on the sides. Yes, it attracts a lot of fingerprints and it's a fingerprint magnet, but I mean, I'd be hard pressed to say that it doesn't look good by any means. But yeah, so that's what I feel about the gold. As for the blue, I think the blue, I don't know, man. I don't know. To be quite honest, I have a feeling I'm just gonna end up going with a black again. The graphite, I think, is probably gonna look really cool in this sort of colorway with like the stainless steel like squared out sides. In any case, if you liked this video and you thought it was informational, beneficial, and entertaining for you, and if I helped you make a decision, then make sure you guys go ahead and crush that like button. If you like content around tech, gadgets, filmmaking, and lifestyle, then make sure you guys go ahead and sub to the channel. Smash that sub button, like literally just take a bat to do that. In any case, let me know in the comment section down below which color you like and which color you're going with this year. And that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Oh. Guys, this is the aftermath of an unboxing. Got my Madeline right here too. Shell-like texture, you know, on the back, and it's got like this little like pot belly over here. Kind of looks like so good. One more. Got one more. Why do I look so upset when I'm doing Face ID?